Great afternoon, class. Our topic for today is all about probability of simple events. So let me just share my screen. Yan. Kita po ba? Kita po ba?
Yes po.
Okay. So before we start, Mr. Papada, can you give us a prayer?
Let's close our eyes and Lord. Lord, thank you po sa araw na ito and maraming salamat po sa binigyan niyong araw ngayon, Panginoon. Bigyan niyo po kami ng lakas at talino upang maintindihan po namin ang topic ngayon, Lord. And sana bigyan niyo rin po ng lakas ang teacher namin ngayon, Panginoon. Patuloy niyo po kaming ingatan sa araw-araw at yun lamang po ang aming samat dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Okay, thank you. So, we have classroom rules that you need to remember. First, say 4 if my voice is clear.
For
Okay. Second, please open your cameras for attendance purposes. Third, please keep your microphone off unless you have the floor to speak. Number 4, if you have any questions or clarifications, just open your microphone, or you can also type it in our chat box. Number 5, respect anyone's opinions because each of us have different perspectives and beliefs. Last but not the least, listen and participate in the class. So before we start, I have a motivational activity for you. This activity is called memory test. There are a total of 3 images that will appear in the presentation. You have 10 seconds to remember each of the pictures. After that, there are corresponding questions related to that images that you need to answer. Is it clear, students?
yes po.
Okay, let's proceed. First picture. Okay, time's up. The question is, how many apples are there in the picture?
Sir?
Okay, Mr. Kapada. Mr. Kapada.
4 po.
Okay, let's check. Very good. There are 4 apples in the picture. Second picture. Okay, time's up. Now the question is, how many green marbles are there in a bag?
Sir?
Okay, Mr. Kapada.
4 po.
Okay, very good. 4 marbles in the bag. Last. Okay, time's up. The question is, how many oranges are there in the picture?
Sir?
Okay, Mr. Kapada again.
4 po ulit.
Okay, very good. There are 4 oranges in the picture. So before we proceed in our short activity, who still remember our last topic in the last meeting? Mr. Kapada, do you still remember? Mr. Kapada,
Yes po.
do you still remember the last topic we discussed last meeting?
Mm, Hindi po sir eh.
The topic we discussed last meeting is all about loss of exponent. So let's proceed to our short activity. All you need to do is to express the following into fractions. Are you ready, students?
Yes po.
Okay, let's proceed. Express this picture in a fraction form. Anyone?
Sir,
Okay, Miss Jose.
1/3 po, sir.
Okay, very good. 1/3 of the circle is shaded. Second picture.
Ako po, sir.
Okay, Miss Jose.
5/8 po.
Okay, very good. Last.
3/4 po yan, sir.
Okay, very good. 3/4 of the circle is shaded. So let's proceed to our discussion. What is probability? Probability, it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. Probability has been introduced to math to predict how likely events are to happen. The extent to which an event is likely to occur, measured by the ratio of the favorable cases to the whole number of cases possible. So the simple event, it refers to an event with a single outcome. For example, getting heads with a single toss of a coin, or rolling 4 on a die. We also consider the fairness when discussing probability. So in getting the probability, we have the formula P event is equals to number of favorable outcomes over total number of favorable outcomes. So for example, a bag contains 50 marbles, 28 red ones, and 22 blue ones. A marble is picked at random from the bag. Now, what is the probability of picking a red marble? So by using the formula, P event is equals to number of favorable outcome over total of number of favorable outcomes. Therefore, 28 is our number of favorable outcomes. Since ito yung hinahanap na probability natin sa problem. Then, over 50 marbles, kasi yun yung total number ng favorable outcomes natin, which is 28 red marbles and 22 blue marbles. So, 28 over 50 is divisible by 2. We need to divide it into 2 to show the simplest form of fraction, which is 14 over 25. Or in decimal form, it is equals to 0.56. Or in percentage form, it is equals to 56%. Is it clear?
Clear po.
Okay, thank you. Now, second example, the same problem, but the question is probability of blue marble. Kanina, ang hinahanap natin is red marble. Ngayon, hanapin naman natin yung blue marble. So by using formula again, probability of blue is equals to 22 since ayun yung hinahanap natin. All over 50 since may total 50 marbles tayo. So 22 over 50 is divisible by 2. Divide again into 2. 22 over 50 is equals to 11 over 25. Or in decimal form, it is equals to 0.44. Or in percentage form, is equals to 44%. So if we add 44% and 56%, it is equals to 100%. That satisfies the definition of probability. Is it clear, students?
Yes po.
Okay. Let's proceed. Try this. There are 24 fruits in the big sack. 8 are pineapples, 4 are mangoes, and the remaining 12 are watermelons. What is the probability of picking the following? First, probability of picking a pineapple. You have 30 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now.
Sir,
Okay, Mr. Papada.
the probability of getting a pineapple is 1/3 or 33%.
Let's check. Okay, very good. The probability of picking a pineapple is equal to 33%. Very good. Nice try, Mr. Papada. Number 2, probability of getting a mango.
Sir,
Okay, Mr. Kapada.
the probability of getting a mango is 1/6 or 17%.
Let's check. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. The probability of picking a mango is 17%, or in fraction form, it is 1/6. And last, probability of getting watermelon. Your timer starts now.
Sir,
Okay, Mr. Kapada.
the probability of getting a watermelon is 1/2 or 50%.
Let's check. Okay, the probability of watermelon is 50%. So if we add those probabilities of each fruit, we get a total of 100%. And that also satisfies the definition of probability. Hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas ng 1 at hindi din siya pwedeng magkulang sa 1. Is it clear, students?
Clear po.
Okay. Now, for our real life situation problem, try this again. Miss Jane wants to conduct a recitation. She decided to put the names of each of her students in a little jar, which consists of 24 boys and 26 girls, because she believes that this method will give her students an equal chance to be selected. Now, the question is, what is the probability of selecting a boy at her first draw? You have 1 minute to answer. Your timer starts now.
Sir,
Okay, Mr. Kapada.
the probability of selecting a boy is 12/25 or 48%.
Let's check. Okay, very good, Mr. Kapada. The probability of, sorry, that should be a boy, not a red. Sorry. The probability of selecting a boy is 48%, or in fraction form is 12/25. Very good, Mr. Kapada. Now it seems that you understand our lesson, and for your evaluation, kindly take a screenshot for this and answer it in a one whole yellow pad. Done, students?
Okay na po.
Okay. And for your assignment also, in a one whole sheet of paper, what do you think is the importance of using and applying probability of mathematics in the real life situation? How do you appreciate it? Again, take a screenshot of it.
Okay na po.
Okay, thank you. I hope you learned something from this meeting or discussion. Thank you and God bless. Keep safe, students.
Thank you din po.
Thank you, thank you. Ingat.
Ingat po, sir.
Ikaw din.